Let me show you how to fix the YouTube playback speed if it's not working. This is a recent bug in YouTube. I'm going to show you two different ways to definitely get that fixed. Now, within the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android, you might have a video that you are playing and you wanted to speed it up or slow it down. There are two different ways that we can do this. The first way is that we can just press and hold towards the right, and you can see it will play it in 2x. But you can also just go in and change that playback speed manually up to 2x, or if you have premium, 3x. And then you can also decrease it down to a lower playback speed. But if that's not working, the number one thing that you can do to get it working, because it's a bug in the YouTube app, is to go through the process of offloading and reinstalling that app. So let's just go through the process of offloading that YouTube app. This clears the cache and temporary files, but most importantly, it force updates it to the latest version, oftentimes fixing bugs and glitches in that app itself. Now, if you go through that process and it's still not working, there's another trick that you can use to get that playback speed functionality working. Essentially, when you go into the YouTube app and you start playing a video, let's say this one again. Now, immediately what you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to find a short. So let's keep scrolling until I find a shorts option. Usually they show up right under it, but in this case, I'm not seeing many shorts options. So you might need to hop out of here, play a short real quick. You don't have to play it for very long, and then just hop back into the video. And now you'll be able to go in and change that playback speed, and it will work to play it up to 2x or 3x if you have premium.